Welcome to 161 Green Tree Lane, number 1 in La Habra. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Large living area, dining and kitchen. Private back patio. New appliances. Half bath. Two-car garage with storage. And a private closet under the stairs. First full bath, combo shower. First guest room with a walk-in closet. Secondary guest room with a sliding closet. Additional storage space in the hall, and the primary bedroom with a sliding closet. And attached bath with additional sliding closet. And an enclosed standing shower with plenty of storage space. Again, this is 161 Green Tree Lane, number 1 in La Habra. If you'd like to apply, you can go to truedoorpm.com/rental-search and apply there. You can also schedule a viewing as well.